Okay, so the other day I was watching a TikTok from Double Trouble Daycare, and I did not realize, I've used replay dishes for the kids. I didn't realize that they have their own store. That you get them on Amazon, they come in sets, and so you have to buy several sets to get the right colors, and we have everything color coded. And so she was talking about that, and look at these adorable little snack bowls. These are the perfect size. Let's see, my hands are really big, but this is the perfect size for breakfast, for like cereal or a little pancake and some fruit, or oatmeal or some yogurt or anything like that. But it's also the perfect size for snacks. And I didn't have any, we just use regular Corelle dishes for our cereal bowls. And we have these terrible little snack bowls that I hate. They're kind of like the salsa bowls at a Mexican restaurant, but they come in like 5 different colors, and everything is color coded here. So then whenever the kids would be trying to get their snack, they would get someone else's snack because they were thinking that the blue one was theirs if their cup was blue. So I got the little green ones. I got 2 of each, one for breakfast and one for snack. And they didn't have black or white, so I got this kind of beige color, which kind of looks pink now, but online it looked like kind of like a beige color. And because one of my kids, their color is black, and they have a white cup because they don't make black cups. So that the blue, this was the closest they had to orange, but it'll work because it's a lot closer than anything else that I have. And this way everyone has their own dishes. I'm so excited. And then I also never had any silverware. So I got the same color. See how much beigeier that is? That's supposed to be the same color. Bizarre. I got 3 spoons and 3 forks in each color because all we had before was, I'll show you. There's our little plates. They're replay too. But they're all dirty. But this is just like this hodgepodge of Walmart forks. And then the snack cups are all dirty too, but there are these little ones, and they just wasn't making me happy. So anyway, I'm really excited about these new color-coded forks and spoons and little bowls that can be for snack and breakfast. This will fit in my cabinet really good. I have the really tiny house, and I'll show you. Like, this is a butler's pantry that we just added on. Our washer and dryer used to be in there, and this is my whole kitchen. Like, it is teensy. So anything that can save space in these few little cabinets that I have is such a blessing. And you have these like round bowls and these round bowls and these plates, and those little bowls can fit right here and just replace all of that mess. And I usually have the snack cups right here and all these bowls right here, and it'll all stack in one stack. So I'll rearrange this so it can be together, and I am stoked. I love replay.